name is Peter Doran and I'm the Artistic Director of the Torch Theatre in Milford Haven. I've done 2 spells here. My first job out of drama school in 1977 was as an actor at the Torch, and the Torch had just opened, so I was in the original company, and I was here for 3 years, did about 25 plays over that period. And then back in 1998, I came back to join the company as the artistic director. So that's 22 going in 23 years. 23 years on April Fool's Day. When I arrived back here as director in 1998, the theatre looked really tired. It was quite grim, to be honest, you know. So I set about trying to raise money to give it a bit of a facelift, you know. And eventually the Arts Council came down to have a look, and I think they were quite shocked, and they turned around and said, you really need to apply for a capital grant, you know, a big one. And so we ended up doing a 5.4 million refurbishment and extension. It is what it is now because of that period that we did the refurbishment, and it's made a massive difference. I think it's made a massive difference to Pembrokeshire. You know, now there's a real quality attraction for tourists and people from outside the county. I think things are going to be different in the future, but I think the nice thing about during lockdown, in fact, only yesterday I was taking my dog for a walk and a woman stopped me and said, what's happening with the Torch? And you know, I told her where we were on it, and she said, oh, we miss it so much, you know. And I get that all the time, and I think ultimately this might be a good thing for the Torch, that people think, you know, how good, how lucky we are to have it here, because when you haven't got it, you suddenly start missing it. So yeah, I think people will value it more from now on. I've got a couple that are way up there. Neville's Island, which was my first main show that I directed here, and I redid it when we reopened after the refurbishment. I just think it's an absolutely brilliant, funny play. One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest is probably my favourite play. I've done it here twice, and I was also in it myself when I was an actor. I did the national tour of it, and I think it is the standout production because both times we've done it, every single night without fail, sold out, standing ovation at the end. It's a great piece of theatre, and I think if you want anybody who's not seen any theatre, if you want to say, well, come and see this, that's the play to take them to. I'm very proud of that. I mean, I feel so lucky to have been brought up in Pembrokeshire. The coastline is phenomenal and everybody knows that. But there are places like Stackwell Woods, Bowett Hill, that I just love because the bluebells, you know, walking through the woods and the bluebells, that to me is home, the smells, everything, you know, and I just adore doing those walks. So despite the beauty of the coast, it's some of the woodlands that I really love. I think it's being rural, being slightly behind, you know, the rest of the world. I just enjoy that, you know, that it's a more relaxed style of living, you know. We're not always sort of buzzing, trying to be out front and all that. We're happy to let everybody else discover something, and then we'll catch on in a while, and we'll enjoy it more. Well, as I say, the bluebells, that sort of smell is very poignant, but the wild garlic, you know, that's childhood to me, because you know, you just smell it and it brings back so many memories, you know, and it's everywhere in Pembrokeshire at the moment.